All right, here we have another slightly more complex trig identity that we can simplify. And my first step, like always, will be to rewrite everything that is not in terms of sine and cosine into sine and cosine. So tangent of x I will rewrite, of course, as sine x. Whoa, sine x over cos x. And we're multiplying that by sine squared x, of course. And over on this side, we just still have cos x sine x. We're adding them. And we're multiplying everything by cotangent of x, which is equivalent to cos x over sine x. Great. So now, okay, so my first step here would be just to rewrite this as sine cubed of x over cos of x. And why is that? Well, we're multiplying sine x by sine squared x, so it follows that we have sine cubed of x. And over here we have cos x sine x over 1. And because we're adding, so a little plus sign there, and I want to combine these, I want to find a common denominator. And how do I do that? Well, I have a 1 there, so I'll just multiply this by cos over cos, just the first fraction, of course, there. And we'll get cos times cos, so cos squared of x times the sine of x over cos x. And we're adding them. Times still just cos x over sine x. Fantastic. Now what do we do? Now we can just write these as cos squared x sine x times sine cubed of x all over cos of x, written just once, times cos of x over sine of x. And now I can actually cancel out these cos of x here. So they're gone. And over there, what can we do? We have sine of x as a common factor. Oh, actually I had written time, but this is a plus here. Sorry about that. This was a plus. See? Okay. So I'll factor out a sine of x. So cos squared x sine x will be just cos squared of x. Sine cubed of x divided by sine of x is just sine squared of x. And right now, we're multiplying these. Now we have a 1 on the bottom that we cancel out the cos x's that we had. So 1 times sine of x will be just equal to sine of x. And look at this. Now we can cancel them out as well. And we're left with cos squared x plus sine squared x, which is just equal to 1. Because of the Pythagorean identity, right? So sine squared x plus cos squared x is 1. We can be sure of that. So look at this. All of this is just equivalent to 1. How great. That's it.